Today I take you with me to a nice gadget shop that I like to visit to get some inspirations for my projects. I love organizational items and I strongly believe that you can be more productive if you are well organized. Therefore, I have a system that I use and I like physical notebooks like this here. From the series It's Not What It Looks Like, you can see here that's a highlighter and a pen, and I think it's absolutely adorable. This is called a memory clip. This is a notepad that looks like a chocolate bar and one that looks like a cookie. Very cute. I don't know if you are familiar with soccer where you live, but here it's a very popular sport and everybody loves to play table soccer, but not everybody has the money or space to have a table of their own. So here the problem is solved. This is a perfect DIY project for children because they get to paint their own puzzle or their own memory play cards, you see. The back is polka dot black and white, and then the front you can make your own designs with it. And I remember when I was a child we used to do such games on paper, and this is great because nowadays you don't see that so much anymore, and I think this can bring it back to trend. The hangman, you remember? Also let me know in the comment section. This is also a classic. When I was a child, this is just a wooden version. And this, I really don't know what it is. These are stickers. I absolutely like stickers and I love this 50s type. And when I was a child, we also had this bottle spin game. And this is just like a modern version of it. Some UFO bath bombs, why not? This is a very nice gadget that you can use to massage your head, and it really makes you relax somehow. A banana-shaped pouch, very cute. Some other lists, notepads. Push pins, very cute. Rainbow shaped pens, and these are bath bombs, and I absolutely like this box. It's called a candy box, and I have a tool like a punch board that makes these candy boxes, and I just need to try it out. What do you think about these natural sponges here? They are really expensive, and it reminds me very much of my school days where you used it to erase the blackboard. I think these are frames for pictures, so you can put your picture in the middle. I'm not really sure about it, and this is really cool, like a photo album. This is a box where you can store your banana as a snack. Play cards for giant people. And this adorable piggy bank, also a huge one, for huge savings, you know. Here is a spring type collection for the office, very cute as well. Yeah, if it would be so easy, huh? And then I noticed that there are many things in natural look, like wood or cardboard. And these notepads here, the cover is wood. And here is a document folder made out of paper. Same for these notebooks here, very natural looking. I really like it. Even a pencil case. calculator of wood. Very funny. USB sticks. iPhone cover. These are cute pens that look like sugar sticks. We've seen these before. These ones too. And the charging cable that looks like a rope. This is a magnetic key holder to throw your keys on. These are very cute. Some games. And this is very handy. It's a sewing machine. If you don't have your own machine or you're not good at it. Nice stamps. Then you have an Easter gift section here. I ended up taking these gift boxes and the tissue paper that you will see very soon on my channel here. And these are little eraser toys. And I also like these as a child. I was collecting them, and I also have projects where I incorporate these in soap. We'll leave a link up here in the right hand corner, and this is very cool. It's a magnetic whiteboard and it looks like a page. Very, very cool. And this looks like a key, but it's actually a pen. You have markers, also very cute. Tiny canvas, and these are bottles that you can fill, for example, with your own cream or lotion. Giant pencils, and the black board that you can roll out and take with you. Very interesting as well. A toothbrush holder shaped like a tooth. And then you have some more Easter gift project section. This is a magic mug. When you fill it with a drink, it will change the color. And then you have these DIY projects. I absolutely love it because I think you can get creative and, put your own spin to it. It's really cool. Also a gift box here. Very nice things to get creative. I'm gonna get creative myself and I'm gonna rush over to my workshop. Stay tuned, my friends, because there are nice projects coming up. See you very soon for a nice surprise. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.